This video is going to be an introduction to the Hot Potatoes J-Quiz question type. So with Hot Potatoes open, you click on the J-Quiz potato and it opens up. The first thing you have is a title. That's just the title of your quiz. And then your question number 1, what color is an orange? And then you're going to list your answers, and you can have more than 4. Notice there's some arrows right here. See, as I hit that up, I get more. But I'll type some answers in here real quick. Notice that the letter D is the correct answer. So over to the far right, you want to be sure to check mark the box that says correct to indicate what is the correct answer so the program can actually grade it. In the feedback column, you can say things like no, try again, or something to that effect. In the correct one, you could say you are right. Putting feedback is optional. You can do that or not. To do another question, hit the up arrow key and type another question. And then mark your answers and check the one that's correct and type in any feedback. And so you can see as you continue to do that, you go through the questions, adding them in as you want. And something else I should have pointed out, notice over here it says multiple choice. If you open that drop-down box, you can also create a short answer question, a hybrid question, which is like a part of a multiple choice and part of a short answer, and a multi-select where you have not just one correct answer, but you can say select all that are correct and have multiple check boxes for them to select. We'll do one of those later. When you're finished, you want to hit the save button, and notice when I move my mouse over this little save icon, it says save this exercise to a disk as a J-Quiz file. Now that only saves it as a project file. That is for you in case you want to come back and enter more questions, or if you want to come back and edit the ones that are in there. So be sure to save that somewhere. I'm going to put it on the desktop. It is important to have that saved, but this file is not what the people that you're making it for will view it as. This is your project file where you can open it back up in this screen right here and add more questions and edit them. To save it for the people that you're creating it for, you want to hit this little icon, and it says export to create a Hot Potatoes version 6 web page. You are actually going to make it a web page file now. So let's click. And again, you're going to give it a file name, but remember this, when you're making anything for a web page, no spaces. So put an underscore or just don't put a space there. It says it's an HTML file, which is a web page file. So you'll hit save. The next screen will say, what would you like to do? Do you want to view the exercise in the browser? Upload the file to the hotpotatoes.net website. We won't be using that. Or do you want to do nothing? Well, you can view it if you want, and if you click that, this is the way your web page will look when it's live on the internet. So what color is an orange? I'll say it's green. Sorry, try again. Okay. Purple? No. Is an orange orange? You're right. But your score is 33% because you picked 2 before that. And then you hit this little arrow key to go on to the next question. And that is what it looks like.